Today I'm going to share some items that I purchased off Amazon. These are some little gadgets. I just love gadgets in the kitchen. So these, I like making cakes and muffins and so on, but sometimes for only 2 people, you just want to pull out a small muffin cup and make some muffins in it. Make a few of them. I got the little rectangle pans if I want to make a little pound cake, keto pound cake or regular pound cake, when I have guests coming over or just for the 2 of us. I can use this little small pan here to make 2. I can make more than 2, a small pan here to make 2. I can make more than 2. I mean, there's quite a few that comes in this package here. This is the name of the company. I purchased them on Amazon for less than $15. So it's a great little package of muffin tins that you can use for anything. Just for parties, you might want to put some tuna in the cup and celery sticks in the little rectangle one. You know, I mean, you can do so many things with it. Just dress it up, make it look pretty, and people enjoy. They really appreciate when you make things really nice and pretty for them. I love giving parties for my friends and family. So try to find these on Amazon. I didn't add the link or anything to the description because I just didn't. So just try to find them based on that name there, and that's all I have. So not happy, say, not happy. So if you like this video, like, comment, share, not so much in that order, but subscribe to my channel, okay? So have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.